How to turn on or turn off block opening external apps from links on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on Security and Privacy. After that, scroll down, and from here, tap on Internet Privacy Protection. Then we scroll down and tap on Block Opening External Apps. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on this feature. When this is turned on, you can prevent links from opening external apps. The links will open in Samsung Internet instead. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.